Okay, here's the situation. I planted these two Chef Choice Rosemary. They're all moved in, and they have these cute little fences, whatever. They're getting a bit big, which I knew was going to happen, but at the time, obviously, they were like 2.5 foot. I just have these extra pieces of fences that I'm going to just add a piece of fence. Anyway, so that's what I'm getting. Here, I think they look so much better. It will obviously look better once this is all mulched around it and it's not just this grass, but that's with 3 fence. What's it called? Adirondack or something? That's with 3 of them versus 2. I think it looks a lot better. So yay. I know it's a little silly goofy, but I think it looks so much better. This will all be mulched eventually. For now, I think it looks so good. And we also got this other Chef's Choice Rosemary. It's a bit bigger. These ones are pretty new. I planted them like a month ago. And that one definitely is bigger than this one because I think this one gets more sun during the day because of this tree. So anyway, this one's a bit smaller, but it still needed an extra fence thing. This one is pretty big. I think that's as big as they get. I think I'm going to put it back there with our little Miss Figgy in the corner. And then maybe our blueberries will go back there too. But anyway, I think it looks pretty good. That's been on my list to do for a while now, so